Welcome back here on the Senior Network. We're now joined by Angelica.Parker. She is with Island Cove Independent Living. How are you, Angelica?
I'm great. Thank you for having me.
Great to see you. Now, for the viewers, Island Cove is a part of Navion Senior Services. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. That is correct.
Tell us a little bit about, you'd mentioned before the show, what's your role there at Island Cove?
My official role is a director of operations and sales, but I do a little bit of everything. Sometimes I'm the janitor, sometimes I'm a server, sometimes I'm a cook, whatever is needed to make the circle go around. But I am the director of operations and sales, so I oversee the entire community as far as operations, and I also drive in all the business on the sales side as well.
Wow, you're a very busy lady, very busy.
I am very busy.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, you have a great reputation. I know right at home we work with you guys too. Tell the viewers that don't know, when we say independent living, obviously that is what it is, independent living, but kind of give the viewers an idea of what you guys offer.
So the first thing is independence. Of course, a lot of people think when they come into this type of setting that they're in a controlled environment. We encourage independence here. We encourage our residents to live their everyday lives as normal if they were in their own home.
Right.
The benefits of joining the community are, of course, your meals are provided, transportation is provided. It's an all-inclusive package, so all your utilities and cable television and internet, a slew of activities. We're always having a good time or having a party, and companionship, which is a big thing in a senior community. Is once your kids grow up and start living their lives and your family, everybody's spread apart, but here you have a solid family foundation. So I think that that's super important for potential prospects to know that you aren't alone when you come here. We do encourage you to keep your independence, and we're like family.
Absolutely. You had touched on it. From a social standpoint, I know you guys are always doing things. Do you have like an activities director or someone that kind of organizes that for you?
Yes, Charlita White is our activities director. She is super great. She is always paying attention to what the residents are saying. She's very observant. We acknowledge everyone's birthdays and anniversaries and holidays and anything that we can to just let everybody know that although we are busy and we're running around sometimes like we're crazy, we are paying attention and we are aware of what's going on and what's happening.
Yeah. Now, as far as getting the members out to have activities, things like, do you have any transportation there?
We do. We do
Okay.
have a bus. We do get out several times a week. Every Tuesday, the residents are out shopping. They're about to head to Target now to shop. Every Thursday, we're at restaurants. I have a great management team. We rotate management on the weekends and we come in. I just brought the residents to the Gullah Island Festival over the weekend on Saturday. That was the first time for me, and we had a great time.
Right.
But yeah, we do overnight trips. We go to the casino, all that good stuff.
Absolutely. Now, is this a lease or a purchase or rent? How does that work?
This is a lease. There is no buy-in. So it is up to you. We just ask for a 30-day notice if you decide this is not the place for you, but there's no type of buy-in at all.
Okay. And obviously, I'm assuming you obviously have websites and folks that want to go and take, are there any virtual tours out there possibly?
Yes, we can do a virtual tour. I do tours via FaceTime all the time, via Zoom. I'm in the process of shooting a virtual tour video right now that'll be ready the first week of March. So I'll be able to email those out for people who don't have an iPhone or computers.
Absolutely. And as far as Navion, are the other two locations, are they independent living too, or are they different?
Village Cove is assisted living and Harbor Cove is memory care.
And the communities are close by, right?
Yes, sir. We are all next door and across the street.
Absolutely. Angelica, great information. I appreciate you taking the time to be here today, okay?
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Stay with us. More to come here on the Senior Network.